I am very happy to talk about the products and services which Sona Star is offering today. One of the most liked and used products of ours is Track My Sona. We came upon this idea when we were discussing about the maintenance issues, what we were facing in our own institutions. Constantly having firefighting mechanisms to understand where the problem is. Half the time we didn't know where the problem was, and we used to lose a lot of time by the time we can actually identify a problem and then get back to repair or replace these kind of things. So what our leadership, our management under the able leadership of Mr. Tyagu Veliappa, he is our CEO, he said, why don't we come across a automized version or a version where we can have an application which talks about these things very easily, and we are able to solve the problem in a very easy manner. But the biggest challenge was who is going to use it, the technicians down the line. And this app has to be understood by them. So that is the main reason why we use the dumb management principle here, where even a normal person who is not educated or maybe semi-educated also will be able to understand what we are talking about.
Join TMS with thousands of satisfied users. Track My Sona, a pinpoint problem identification app.